Carburetor main jet maintenance. Step 1. Turn off your portable generator and let it cool down. Step 2. Gather the necessary tools: wrench, socket wrench, flathead screwdriver. Step 3. Remove the filter cover screw. Step 4. Remove the element and holder. Step 5. Remove the air filter nuts. Step 7. Remove the air filter hoses. Step 6. Remove the air filter bracket nut. Remove the carburetor carefully to prevent damage to other components. Step 8. Remove the carburetor solenoid. Step 9. Remove the carburetor bowl bolt. Locate the main jet. Step 10. Unscrew the main jet with a flathead screwdriver. Step 11. Install a new main jet or clean with carburetor solution.